Some basic tools that are going to be needed for the MX 1200 bus installation. A power driver of some sort, along with some adapters that include extensions, a Phillips head, Allen head, and a couple of drill bits. Those are what you'll need at minimum. Some sort of a socket set with ratchet. These are the specific sockets I know that I need, but you can keep just a small socket set, ratchet set on hand. A multimeter so you can verify your 12-volt power supply. Cutters, strippers, crimpers, an interior panel tool, removal tool, and some sort of a cutting blade razor. Some of the other items that are going to be needed for the installation are, of course, fuses, 10-amp fuses, spade connectors. These are female. You're going to need eyelet connectors of 2 different sizes, nuts, bolts. These are located on the materials list that I've created that goes along with this. Zip ties, you'll need plenty of those, and a marker and a multi-head screwdriver. Some other items you're going to want in your toolkit are going to include your wire loom for concealing the power supply wires. You'll need some connectors to hold that wire loom down. Some electrical tape, may not be necessary, but always good to have. These other items are just items that I have as just in case. A multi-bit, and I have an adapter that will adapt to my DeWalt power driver to turn it into a regular drill bit in case I need drill bit sizes that do not have this fitting on them. Extra Allen wrenches and sockets, extra drill bits for the driver, and then some extra screwdrivers, markers, and things like that. But the absolute must-haves, of course, are going to be your wire loom and your wire loom connectors.